Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Tuition Tonight. From today we are going to start the series of chemistry. In this series we are going to cover many concepts. So without wasting any time, let me tell you about the agenda for today. Today we are going to learn what is mole and we are going to solve some of the exercise question related to mole. Okay, so first we have to know about what is mole. The atomic mass, molecular mass, formula mass of a substance expressed in gram is called mole. So these are the three entities whenever expressed in gram is always equals to mole. It is a practical unit of handling atoms and molecule, and it is the SI unit, the system international unit of amount of substance. Okay, so this is the theoretical point of view for understanding of mole. How can we calculate the number of mole? The formula is given below. The number of molecule, this is not a molecule, this is number of mole. This is my mistake, let me correct it. The number of mole is equals to given mass of a substance divided by atomic or molecular mass. So this is the formula through which we can calculate the number of mole. Alright, so moving forward, this is our question number 1. The question says calculate the number of mole in 80 gram calcium. So this is one of the easiest question to calculate number of mole. What you will have to do first is to create a data and keep one thing in mind, that the element that they are going to give you in your exam will be any of them, like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, sulfur, whatever. You must have to learn the molecular mass of that element. So let me write here is molecular mass of calcium is 40 AMU. The atomic mass unit of calcium is 40 AMU. Alright, we are going to create mass, we are going to calculate mole, right? The formula we are going to use is number of mole is equals to given mass of substance and atomic divided by atomic or molecular mass. So the mass is also given in our question. Mass is equals to 80 gram. Alright, so the formula is given below. I am going to substitute the value. We have to calculate the number of mole. So what are we going to do is mole is equals to 80 divided by 40. 80 will be substituted at the place of given mass of substance that is given in our question, that is 80, and 40 is the atomic mass of our element of that is calcium. So after dividing 80 into 40 is 2. So the number of mole in 80 gram of calcium is equals to 2. So this is how you can calculate the number of mole in 80 gram of calcium. The next question is calculate the number of mole in 90 gram of water. So last time they have given us a single element, that is calcium. This time they have given us the compound, that is water. So the chemical formula for water is H2O. What are we going to do first is to create a data, and we have to calculate the formula mass. Formula mass of water is before going ahead, I want to tell you that the formula of water is H2O. Hope you all know about that. So what I am going to do is just write over here, that is H2O, and you all know that the atomic number and the mass number of hydrogen is 1, and it contains the 2 molecules, so I am going to multiply 1 into 2. Alright, plus then the oxygen will came into this formula. So the mass number of oxygen is 16. 16 multiplied by 2, 16 plus 2 multiplied by 1, that will be equals to 18. So the formula mass of water is 18. Alright, now this is the time to write the mass that is given in the question, that is 90 gram, and on the last number you have to calculate the number of mole. Or what are you going to do is to put the same formula that you have put in the previous question. The number of mole is equals to given mass, that is 90, will be substituted over here, divide by the formula mass of water, that is 18. Okay, so I don't have a calculator, so I am going to use my laptop calculator over here. It is opening. Alright, so what I am going to do is 90 divided by 18 is equals to 5. So whenever I will divide 90 by 18, the number of mole will be equals to what? 5. So that means there are 5 number of mole in 90 gram of water. So see, this is that simple to calculate the number of mole in any kind of element, whether it will be element or any compound. You can calculate by a single formula, that is number of mole is equals to given mass of substance divided by atomic or molecular mass. Hope you understand the concept of calculating the number of mole. Let me meet you in the next lecture. Up till then, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.